Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. I make videos on English for bank exams. And every day at 9:30 am and at 2:30 pm, I conduct free live sessions on Unacademy for bank exams. And these sessions are on English. At 9:30 am, I discuss English questions for your prelims examinations, and at 2:30 pm I discuss English questions for your mains examination. So you must attend these sessions. The links are given in the description box. Please enroll yourself and also please follow my profile on Unacademy. And if you use Unacademy for the first time, use the invite code Annie for unlocking all these free content. Here I will inform you regarding some free test series. Okay, now this test is test on reasoning for SBI Clerk Prelims 2021. Now this test is conducted every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 3 pm. So you will find the links to all these tests in the description box. Next, this is a test series on quants, and this is conducted every Saturday at 8 pm. This is a test series again on reasoning, conducted every Monday at 8 pm. This is a test series on English, conducted every Thursday at 8 pm. So these are all the test series that are available, and this is the test series on current affairs conducted from Monday to Friday at 9 am. Okay. So all these test series are available for free, and you will find the link to these test series in the description box. Please go to the link and register yourself. Also, if you use Unacademy for the first time, use the invite code Annie for unlocking all these tests. If you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, please use the coupon code Annie for a 10% discount on the subscription cost. For 6, 12 and 24 months of subscription, no cost EMI is also available. That is, you can pay in installments without paying any interest. Now the first question is that of a phrase replacement. You, he and I shall work for the company. Now when in a sentence you have more than one personal pronoun present, as subject, in that case you have to arrange the personal pronouns in certain order. Now if the sentence is a positive sentence, then the order is 2, 3, 1. That is, the second person comes at first, then the third person, and then the first person. Okay. Now if the sentence is negative, or if the sentence has plural pronouns, then the code is 1, 2, 3. That is the first person, then the second person, then the third person. Here you, he and I shall work hard for the company. This is a positive sentence. Okay. You is second person, he is third person, and I is first person. So 2, 3, 1, the order has been maintained. So this sentence is correct. You, he and I shall work hard for the company. No replacement required. Next. I has not seen him since 10 years, and so I cannot say with certainty whether he is still in race or not. First of all, 10 years, this is a time period. And for time period or time span, for is used and not since. So here for should be used. For 10 years. And I takes plural verb. So has is incorrect, have should be used. I have not seen him for 10 years. So I have not seen him for 10 years. Option C is the correct answer. Next, I cannot say if he has passed the test or not. Now here or not is present. With if you cannot place or not. Okay, if does not take or not. Never. Okay, so you have to replace if with whether. So I cannot say whether he has passed the test or not. Whether he has passed. Okay, option D. Option C is incorrect because he is a singular noun pronoun. So you need a singular verb. So have is incorrect. Okay. Again, here if is present, which is incorrect, and have is also incorrect because it is a plural verb. If he is present, so it is incorrect, and has always takes V3. So past should come. Okay. Next. Here you have to find out the grammatically correct sentence. The government will provide citizens with more regulated, efficient options to investing. Okay. The government will provide, will plus V1. So after modals always V1 comes. This is correct. Citizens with more regulated, efficient options. Now more regulated is comparative degree, but efficient is positive degree. So when you use two adjectives for a common noun, for only one noun, you have to keep both the adjectives in the same order. So here more efficient should come. More efficient options. With PPF and EPF still provides you with better net returns than a FD. So will PPF and EPF still provides. Now will always takes V1. So provides is incorrect. Provides should come. Okay. He is taken recent budget proposals to enumerate his thoughts. Is taken is incorrect. He has taken. Okay. Has plus V3, has taken recent budget proposals. 2 plus V1 enumerate his thoughts. The Indian insurance market is crammed. Here crammed is an adjective, crammed with numerous health insurance plans. So this option is correct. Option D is grammatically correct. Next. Bengtsson, so here you have to find out the incorrect part. Okay. Bengtsson feels that there are some challenges. Bengtsson plural, Bengtsson is singular noun. So here singular verb, feels, this is correct. That there are some challenges plural noun. So plural verb are is correct. That the organization has and will face in any new region. So after will V1 should come, this is correct. But after has always V3 comes. So here you have to place faced. Has faced and will face. Next. It is true that the poor is unable to get nourished food even today. The poor, so when the is added before an adjective, it becomes a plural common noun. Okay. So poor is an adjective and the is present before poor, it becomes a plural common noun. So here are should come and not is. Are unable to get nourished food. 2 plus V1, get nourished food. Food is the noun here and nourished is an adjective. Next. They did not came out victorious. They did not. So after did, after do, after did, always V1 comes. So they did not come out victorious. Okay, they did not come out victorious. Victorious is an adjective for they. Yet they were not disappointed. So were plus V3, disappointed. So this is, they were not disappointed, rather satisfied. So here disappointed and satisfied both are V3 because they had played well. So had plus V3. Okay. So the error is in part A. They do visit my house. They do visit my house every day. So with do as well you use V1. Next, going through the treatment, doctors found a brain tumor. Now, if a sentence starts with ing, this one, going through, you need a subject. Otherwise, this is dangling without a subject. So what is the subject? Going through the treatment, doctors found a brain tumor. Now doctors did not go through the treatment, someone else did. Someone else went through the treatment. Okay, so here you have to place a subject. So while he was going through the treatment. Okay, so here I have introduced a subject, he. While he was going through the treatment, doctors found a brain tumor. Or while I went through a treatment, or while I was going through the treatment, the doctors found a brain tumor. Okay, so you need a subject. So option A is erroneous. Part A is erroneous. So this is where I will end the session. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. Please write down your score in the comment box. How many questions have you marked correct? Please write that down in the comment box. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.